He was Hitler's most trusted agent in Britain. Yet everything he told the Nazis was a complete lie. This is the incredible true story of Juan Pujol Garcia, the man who fooled an entire empire. During the chaos of World War II, Garcia, a Spanish citizen, was desperate to help stop the Nazis. But when Britain initially rejected his offer to spy, he didn't give up. He decided to become a spy on his own terms. From a hotel room in Lisbon, he created an entirely fictional spy network. He invented agents, wrote fake intelligence reports, and somehow convinced the Germans he was their top man in London. When British intelligence discovered his elaborate scheme, they were so impressed they immediately recruited him, giving him the code name Garbo. Together, they orchestrated one of history's greatest deceptions, feeding the Nazis false information that crucially misled them about the D-Day landings. Because of Garbo, Hitler's forces waited for an attack that never came. He fought a war with just a typewriter in his imagination, proving that the most powerful weapon can sometimes be a well-told lie. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.